We want to get straight to Way 31's Will Robinson-Smith. He's live at Westminster Christian Academy, where Madison Academy came to face off against the Wildcats.
Will, from your perspective, how well did they follow safety precautions tonight?
Well, as you can see behind me, the game just ended within the last 5 or so minutes, and we'll get to the highlights a little bit later on in the show. But as far as the safety precautions for coronavirus, they put an emphasis on wearing face masks and social distancing before the game started. Now, as far as the face mask element goes, as I was watching the game and watching the stands and people walking around, there seemed to be a pretty good adherence to the face mask rule, whether people were in the stands actively or going to the concession stand or going back to their seat, talking with people. This is the first time in about 4 years that Westminster has faced off against Madison Academy, so there were going to be a lot of people coming to the game tonight, we were told before kickoff started, and that was in fact the case here tonight. And as far as social distancing, that was another thing that was an emphasis for tonight. But as far as in the stands, there wasn't a whole lot of that happening that we saw. There was a good number of people that were bunched together, and that was something that upper school principal Jason Anderson said that he would be watching tonight to see how they can improve and better manage that in the future.
I think the hardest part is come up on the fence where you get those large, because people were social, they just want to flock together and talk. So making sure we're aware of that and separating in those situations where we need to address those.
And the school had announcements during the game reminding people of the masking policy. There are also visual reminders of the social distancing policy as well. Now, as far as the virus itself, school officials tell me they have not had any cases of transmission while on the campus during school hours, and they credit that to their students and staff really adhering to the social distancing and masking policy during those school hours. Reporting live in Huntsville, Will Robinson-Smith, Way 31 News.